Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about something interesting, which is not the usual technical analysis of the stocks, but we are going to discuss about the debt fund investments. So basically, the idea is that every investor's portfolio or a trader's portfolio, you can say, should not be having 100% equity allocation. We all might be aware of that. So instead of 100% allocation, what else can we have? So you might know mutual funds and then cryptocurrency, which is picking up the pace from recent times, and then gold as usual. And then you must have heard about the debt funds. So what are debt funds? Debt fund, to be explaining it in simple words, you give your funds to someone who is in need. That may be either a company or government, in return for uh, placing your funds in their pool, they give you an additional interest which is slightly higher than the FDs, fixed deposits, and the inflation, we can say, but is quite less than what equity and cryptocurrency offers you. And you have to keep in mind there's also an element of risk when you're investing in all these segments. And debt funds, they have risk, slightly higher risk, but less riskier and stable than equity or crypto markets. So Wint-Wealth is one of the platform where you can invest in debt funds. So let's analyze about it. So this is what the website. If you're wondering, like, this is not a sponsored video. This is just for a learning purpose, and you have to keep in mind that you have to try out all the available platforms and choose what's the best according to your risk appetite. If you go down, 300 plus crores bonds sold, 221,000 plus investors. Well, so this is what I was talking about. If you see the chart, the returns versus the risk. Fixed deposits offers very less returns, basically very less than what the inflation is right now. Inflation is around 7 to 8%, and fixed deposit offer you 5%. So basically, even if you invest in fixed deposits, you're losing 3% on a year-to-year basis. And then debt mutual funds, and then assets on Wint-Wealth, which is basically these debt funds. This is stocks, which we all know, and the highest is crypto, high risk, high return. And if we move further down, so these people, like they encourage this debt fund investing. So these are the names of those people who are some of the common names we hear every day, like Nitin Kamath, Rachana Ranade, Ankur Wariku. So yeah, and if you go down, this is the currently fund, currently active fund in the market right now, in the Wint-Wealth market. So if you see, they are offering 10.5% per year interest, and the interest payment 5 months. You can see all this in the data given here. If you see, if you click here, you will get the full analysis of this fund, which we are going to do in 5 minutes after just researching on the home page. Past assets, so Oxizo, Incred, CapSave, Slice. You must have heard of this, no? Slice credit card, which is gaining traction in recent times due to its attractive offers. UGRO Bricks, Danvarsha, so all of these. Then that is it about on the home page of this Wint-Wealth. Now let's go to this asset details. So Aryadan, if before investing or before parking your funds in any um, asset, you have to research first. At least spare some time so that you know where your money is going. It's not like someone told you it's working well, you have to invest. No, like you have to do your own research, and only if it um suffices according to your own risk appetite, you may proceed and go ahead. So senior secured bond. What is senior secured bond? It means that you are given the senior most priority in case this company defaults. So when the company defaults, the people who invested as a senior, right, they are given the higher most priority in paying back their funds. And unlisted, in a sense, you cannot see this in the live market, so the liquidity will be very low. You have to keep that in mind. And interest payment 5 months, principal you can go through all this. So this is one important factor here, NBFC rating. So CRISIL rating is triple B minus, which is a bit uh, less rating compared to AAA and all that stuff. You can check that. Collateral size. So how much collateral do they have in case they go bankrupt? They have the collateral as 1.25 times of the asset size. And what is that collateral? Collateral is the agricultural commodities which they have gained by giving the loans. So this is about the company Aryadan Financial Solutions. So basically it has been formed to fulfill the financial requirements of farmers. So now by just reading on this, you have understood that they are the ones who give the loans to the farmers in need, and in return they have the agricultural commodities from them, and then that will act as collateral for the people who invested in this fund. So this is what, and here you can find out this. You have to invest 10,000 per lot, and then after pre-tax returns, this 10.5%. So all this tax disclaimers and all, you can go through this. So yeah, this is about it. It is very clean and efficient. Like, it will not take much time to know about what is happening in this fund. You can go ahead and invest. So this is one of the platforms where you can visit for in-depth funds. So in the next video, I'm going to come with how do you invest in gold, how do you invest in online gold ETFs or gold bonds. So stay tuned for it, and if you're liking this video, please like, share and subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Thank you. I'll see you again. Bye.